Hey, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be finishing up on my June makeup haul. So I wanted to start with the Anastasia Shimmer Body Oil. Let's see if I can get this sucker open. There we go. So this is what it looks like. I do believe it was $38 for this small thing. Kind of expensive. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's see how it works. You see the shininess of it? Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. If I do say so myself. Okay, what I got next was the Clinique Touch Base for Eyes. Just an eye primer, basically. Fancy way of saying it. I'm not going to open it completely, but this is the size of it. So if you're ordering online or you see it online, this is how small it is. I think this went like maybe $18 or $22. Can't remember. Alright, so I picked up the MAC Prep and Prime BB. So let's see here. Kind of light. Yeah, it's kind of light. I can make it work though. Just throw in some setting powder that's a little bit darker than this, and it should work perfectly. I've done it before, and I can do it today. It's just that most people's, when they say deep skin for deep skinned individuals, they don't realize that when you have it that light, it's actually for a tanned person. A deep dark person has to have something darker, not lighter. So you should be able to tell the difference by now. Anastasia of Beverly Hills is about the only person I see so far where deep actually means for a dark skinned individual. I wish everyone else would get a hint with that, because it's too many times that I've seen other YouTubers that have bought something called deep, like BB creams, and it come out to be real light. That's not deep. Deep means dark. I just wish they would get it together. So I also picked up this Fix It from MAC, not Max. You see that? Let me shake it up. You see how that swirls? I'm really looking forward to trying that out. So I picked up the GlamGlow Glow Setter, which also is another setting spray. And this is how big this is. I'm not for sure how much this ran me. I'm thinking anywhere from $28 to $38. I can't remember. So I also picked up this here matte loose pigment. So let me show you guys how this looks. Got a little dab on my hands. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. And it shifts. It's a duochrome. That is so pretty. Now I know I'm going to enjoy that. Alright, so I went on to Beautylish and I bought the Jeffree Star stuff. The mini breaker and jawbreaker for like $75 for both of them, the set. While I was there, I decided to pick up his setting powder. Let me show you how that looks. Not too bad. Put a little bit more there. Alright, so that's how it looks. So I also picked up another lip gloss. Which one is this? Ice Cold. And this is what it looks like. Bling, bling, bling. Isn't that so pretty? I'm putting this in my makeup bag for my purse now. You see how it shifts? That is so pretty. It's showing up on my black skin. So, like I said, I picked up the Jawbreaker and the mini Jawbreaker. So, I'm not going to swatch these because these have been seen many a time on YouTube as it is. It doesn't change. That is what it looks like. It does come with a mirror. Don't want to blind you with it. And this is the big one, the Jawbreaker. Isn't it just a pretty color? I love pink just like he does. Alright, this too comes with a mirror. And it comes with, I think, 28 shadows. Shades, or whatever you would call it. So that is just so pretty. His biggest yet palette. So it was $58 by itself, but I got it with the bundle deal. So I got two with a little bit of dollars off, so $75. Because the little one cost $28 and the big one cost $58. So that was a bargain. So that's all for the rest of my June haul. So thank you for watching. And depending on when you're watching this, have a good morning, good evening, or good night. And God bless.